Hello everyone, in today's video I'll guide you through the process of creating your own Flash token on both the ERC20 and TRC20 networks. To get started, you'll need a specific amount of ETH. I recommend using 0.12 ETH. With this investment, we can generate approximately 70,000 Flash USDT. Let's dive in. First, open Remix and create a new file named USDT.sol. Paste the code provided in the description into this file. Next, head over to the compilation section. Select version 0.6.6 plus and click on Compile. You should see that the compilation is successful. Now, let's move to the deployment section. Begin by connecting your wallet. I suggest using Wallet Connect to link your wallet. MetaMask tends to work best, as I've encountered issues with other wallets. In the token name field, enter your desired token name. In my case, it's USDT. For the token symbol, specify the network type. I'll use ERC20 here. If you're creating TRC tokens, just input TRC20 instead. Click on the Transact button and in the pop-up window, round your amount to the nearest whole number to prevent any gas-related errors during transaction confirmation. Once done, wait for the confirmation. Great. The transaction was successful and we've now created our contract. To verify that it's legitimate, I'll show you the contract details. Now we need to fund our contract. Copy your contract address and transfer 0.12 ETH to it. Just a quick reminder, sending less than this amount may lead to issues. After transferring, wait for the confirmation. Once confirmed, keep an eye on the balance display. Next, click on the Start button and again round your value to a whole number before confirming the transaction. We can see that our tokens have been successfully created. The final step is to withdraw them. Click Withdraw and follow the same steps as before. Wait for confirmation again. all done. Now let's check our balance to see our newly created tokens. Everything has gone smoothly.